Hey y'all, I'm going to share with you guys a simple breakfast idea that I had today. I make it for me and the hubs often. And guys, I know them kids are out for the summer. Okay, let them kids come in there and make something like this. Your baby 13 years old, okay? You can let them in the kitchen, mama, all right? So you don't have to be doing breakfast for them every single day. And they don't have to have cereal neither. So y'all got 2 slices of bacon and I fried them up. I am actually going to use a paper towel to get out that excess bacon grease because I don't like too much of a bacony taste in this. But you could actually use it and cook in that grease if you want to. Then I'm going to take out my bacon bits because I don't want them to burn. Now, instead of bacon bits, you could use sausage, turkey bacon, or any type of meat that you want. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of butter because y'all know butter is that liquid gold of the South, y'all. My vegetables of choice today are onions and peppers, but I also like jalapenos for a bit of a kick. And sometimes I'll do cherry tomatoes if I have them at the house. Honestly, I will also throw in kale or spinach. You can really personalize this to make this your own. I'm using 3 pasture-raised eggs with a little bit of milk, salt, and pepper. And I'm going to whip this up. If you want 4 eggs, that would be fine too. It definitely can be supported in this recipe. Let me know in the comments what your favorite easy but really filling breakfast is, and maybe I can make it on this channel. I'm going to put a little bit of Creole seasoning on my veggies. Y'all, that Tony's really just be kicking the flavor of everything up. And you know what else would be good? I just thought about it. Some mushrooms. Y'all, if you saute the mushrooms real good in that Tony's, oh my goodness. Okay. So I'm going to spread out all my veggies evenly and then sprinkle all of my bacon. And then I'm going to pour these eggs right on top. Make sure you put it all around the pan. You want it to be fully covered because you don't want to have to mix it because we are not scrambling these eggs today. It's going to take about a minute or so for the bottom to set. I check it with the side of my spatula just to make sure it is solid at the bottom, but it must be liquidy on the top or else the eggs are not going to adhere to your tortilla. This is a large flour tortilla. I'm going to take my spatula and press it in well, almost gluing them together. Before the top of the eggs have finished cooking onto the tortilla, I am going to flip it. Use a plate to help you, or maybe some of y'all are a pro chef, so you can just flip it in the pan, but I can't do that. Okay, so I'm going to lay this back inside the pan and then I'm going to add my filling. I'm going to just add cheese. However, you could add all sorts of stuff. Now, if you want to get a little big back with this, you can put in some pre-made hash browns, crumbled up sausage, layer on that cheese, all types of stuff you can put inside of this, like a little quesadilla breakfast situation. But I'm not going to do all of that today. But if you do, if you try it, let me know. Because I'm even thinking some southern fried potatoes would be so good as a filling. It's going to take about 2 minutes on each side for your breakfast tortilla to get nice and brown. I just moved it around the pan to collect up any excess oil because I didn't want to have to add any more to the pan. Y'all, let me show y'all what this is working with. As you can see, this is piping hot. Y'all almost burnt my hand showing y'all this. And you know good and well that your girl went in and ate this right after I was done shooting this video. Guys, let me know if you are going to try this. This is so delicious. Look inside where you could put stuff. You see what I'm talking about? If you do that, let me know. I'll see you next time. Goodbye and God bless.